let us start the session today. Today we are going to start session number 6 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Okay, and we are going to complete the left out questions from exercise 13.6. We have completed only 2 questions in that exercise in the previous session. So let us start with the third question. Okay, so a soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. So tin can with rectangular base means it will be a shape of cuboid. And the another pack is a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So we have to find the volume of both the container. Then we have to see which container has greater capacity and by how much means we have to find the difference. किसी का mic on है देखो. So let us start the first tin. The length of rectangular base is 5 centimeter and width is given 4 centimeter and height is given 15 centimeter. Okay, so L okay, so what is the volume of this tin?
300 centimeter.
L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. So 5 into 4 into 15. So 5 into 4 20 hota hai, 20 into 15 300. So let it be question number 1. Now the second case is cylindrical tin and the diameter is given 7 centimeters. So what will be the radius?
3.5.
Okay, 3.5, that is 7 by 2. Okay, so what is the height given? 10 centimeters.
Height 10 centimeters.
Right. So what is the volume of this cylinder?
4 pi.
Right. Pi r square h. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now we'll substitute the value of pi, r and h. 1 7 is cancelled and this also cancelled and 10 can be cancelled by 2. We are getting 5. So 7 into 5 is 35 into 11 is 385. So we are getting 385. So which container has greater capacity? Plastic cylinder? By how much? By how much? Difference?
85 centimeter.
85
Yes,
centimeter
85 centimeter cube. So from 1 and 2, cylindrical container has greater capacity by 385 minus 300 and that is 85 centimeter cube. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll
No,
move
sir.
towards question number 4. If the lateral surface area of cylinder. Now in the second session I explained that lateral surface area is nothing but that is curved surface area. Okay. And it is given 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. Then find radius of its base and its volume, and we have to use pi is equals to 3.14 value only. So let us start with the lateral surface area, that is 94.2 centimeter square. Okay, and height is given 5 centimeter. And what is the formula of lateral surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r.
Right,
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH. So let the radius be r. So lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Now we'll substitute the value of pi and h here. Okay, so 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 3.14 is 31.4 into r. So from equation 1 and 2, we are getting 31.4 r is equals to 94.2. So if you divide, you will get 3 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we need to find the volume. Second part, we need to find volume. What is the formula of volume of cylinder?
Pi r
Pi
square.
R square H.
Very good. Pi r square h. Now substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7. R we got 3 and h 5 centimeter, it is already there. So 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5. So if you multiply this 3, you will get 45. Then
45 into
3.14.
3.14.
Yes, if you multiply, you will get 141.3 centimeter cube. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now fifth question.
No, sir.
It cost rupees 2,200 to paint the inner cut surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner cut surface area. I think if you remember, I already explained that how to find total cost. How to find total cost if area is given and the rate is given?
Area into rate.
Right, area into
Cost per meter square.
area into rate. Okay, area into rate. Rate I'm denoting it by R. So now total cost is given and rate is given. How will you find area?
Total cost
Total
divided
cost
by
by divided by
Right, total
rate.
cost. See, here total cost for inner cut surface area is given and the rate is given. So how will you find inner cut surface area? Total cost divided by this rate. Whether this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So total cost to paint inner cut surface area of the vessel is 2,200 and rate is given rupees 20 per meter square. So inner cut surface area of the vessel is equals to total cost upon rate. That is 2,200 divided by 20. So how much we are getting? 110.
110.
110 meter square, because the rate is given in meter square, per meter square. Okay. Now what is the formula of cut surface area?
2 pi RH.
Very good, 2 pi RH. So this is the first bit answer. We have 3 bits. First bit is over. And for the second bit, we have to use the inner cut surface area formula. That is 2 pi RH. For H, the depth of the vessel is given 10 meter. That we will take it as height. And let the radius be R. So inner cut surface area is 2 pi RH and that is equals to 110. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R into 10. We will compare these two because both are inner cut surface area. Okay. Now shift all to this side. So you have to take reciprocal. So now how you have to cancel 11, 2. So what you are getting? 7 upon 4. 1.75. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last capacity of the vessel. Capacity of the vessel means we have to find volume. Okay. So volume, for volume we should have, we should know radius and height. Radius is already we have calculated, that is 1.75 and height is 10. Now what is the formula of volume?
Pi R square H.
Very good. Pi R square H. Now we'll substitute all the values. 22 by 7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 10. See, the answer is 96.25. But I will suggest that you write radius as 7 by 4 only. जो हम लोग को पिछले क्वेश्चन में जो मिला था. ठीक है, मैं इसको 7 by 4 लिख रहा हूँ. ध्यान से देखो. How we have to complete the calculation part. So that you can cancel 1 7 with this one and 22 2 से कैंसिल हो रहा है और ये 2 से और एक 2 इससे कैंसिल करो. 5. Okay, so 11 into 7 into 5, we are getting 385 by 4. Now you can easily divide 385 by 4, that is 96.25. Calculation is clear?
Yes,
if,
sir.
if you write 7 by 4 as radius, then calculation will become easy. ठीक है, और डेसिमल में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. Now 1 meter cube is equals to how many liter?
1000.
1000 liter.
1000 means we can write kiloliter also. So 96.25 kiloliter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter is the reason. Any doubt here? This is the final answer. Okay, now we'll move towards next question. The capacity of the closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Now see, the volume is given in form of liter and height is given. And how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it is the total surface area. That means we have to find total surface area. Okay, so for that we should know the radius. उसके लिए radius मालूम होना चाहिए. So now we are going to find the radius first. So we'll take the volume. The height of the vessel is 1 meter and the volume is given 15.4 liter. How will you convert liter to meter cube?
By dividing it with 1000.
Very good. By dividing it by 1000. Okay. So if you divide, you will get 0.0154 meter cube. Why? Because 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. Okay. So here my advice is that you write in this form only. You add 1 0 or you cut this one. This is my suggestion. Okay, we'll see. पूरा डेसिमल में करने के बाद हम लोग इसके हिसाब से भी निकालेंगे. Right. Now let the radius of base is r. So what is the formula for volume of vessel?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square
Right.
h.
Very good. Pi r square h, and that will be equals to this one. So 22 by 7 into r square into 1 is equals to this. Now shift this to this side. So reciprocal लेना पड़ेगा. Now you can divide this by 0.0007. So you'll get this one. And if you multiply, you will get 0.0049. Okay, so 0049 is nothing but 49 upon 10,000. 10,000. So the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 10,000 is 100. So we'll get radius 7 by 100. That is 0.07. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if you write 0.014 as 154 upon 10,000 in the beginning, then this decimal will not come and you will get answer in this form only. That is the advantage of writing in terms of 154 upon 10,000 for volume. ठीक है, यहाँ पे डेसिमल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पर भी 7 by 100 आएगा जब स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे. तो उसके बाद ये वाला लिखना है 0.07. Okay, otherwise this is also fine. Now how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed? So total surface area, that is third surface area plus area of both the top and bottom. ठीक है? So that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, or you can use directly this formula. area of metal sheet required is equals to total surface area of the vessel. लिखने के बाद directly you can use this formula instead of writing this one. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute all the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.07 into 1 plus 0.07. Okay. So now this will be 44 by 7 into 0.07 into 1.07. Okay. Now we can divide these two also. What we are going to get? 0.01. If you multiply, you will get 0.4708 meters square. This is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is very good question. Have you seen pencil? Circular
Yes.
pencil, not आजकल circular cylindrical form में नहीं आता है, बहुत कम आता है. So a lead pencil consists of a cylindrical cylinder of wood. Okay, in that pencil is in the shape of cylinder और उसमें जो graphite होता है बीच में, that is also a small cylinder. Okay, internal cylinder with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. See this rough figure. This is the pencil and this part is the graphite part. ये जो है part, this is the graphite part. And this part is the wood, this part. And the diameter of the wood, the pencil is given 7 millimeter. Okay, so whether this diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start with the graphite first, क्योंकि we have to find the volume of graphite as well as wood. So we'll find first the volume of graphite. So let the radius of graphite be small r. Okay, and diameter is given 1 millimeter. So what will be the radius?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 millimeter.
1 by 2 millimeter.
Okay, now convert it into centimeter because length is given in centimeter.
0.5 millimeter.
मिलीमीटर नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट मिलीमीटर टू सेंटीमीटर?
By dividing by 10.
Very good. By dividing by 10. So this will become 1 by 20. 1 by 20 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. And the length of the pencil is given 14 centimeter. That will be height of the graphite. Now what is the volume of graphite? Formula?
Pi r square h.
Very good. Pi r square h. Now substitute all the values. 22 by 7 into 1 by 20 whole square into 14. You can cancel this here only. Otherwise in the next step also you can cancel. Next step में cancel कर रहा हूँ मैं. So 2. See carefully how I am doing the calculation. And this also cancelled by 2. So finally we are getting 11 by 100. 11 by 100. That means 0.11 centimeter cube. This is the final answer of volume of graphite. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have to find volume of wood. So volume of wood, how will you find? Volume of external cylinder minus volume of internal cylinder. So first we will find the volume of pencil. Okay, volume of pencil we will find. So let the radius of pencil be capital R. And the radius diameter is given 7 millimeter. So what will be the radius?
7 by 2.
7
3.5.
by 2. Convert it into centimeter.
7 by 20.
Very good. 7 by 20 centimeter. Now the volume formula, the length is given 14 centimeter. So same length, same height we are going to take, that is 14 centimeter. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 20 whole square into 14. Okay. ये वाला step skip कर सकते हो. You can write directly this step 7 by 20 into 7 by 20. Okay. Right. Now how will you do the calculation part? See carefully. This is 2 and again I am cancelling. So we are getting 200. Again this is, you can cancel it by 2. So we are getting 100. Okay, 11 into 49 upon 100. 5.39 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of not, this is not the volume of wood, this is volume of pencil. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड कैसे निकलेगा, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ पेंसिल. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड विल बी इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ पेंसिल माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्रेफाइट, दैट इज 5.39 minus 0.11. So we are getting 5.28 centimeter cube. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So first of all, we have to find the volume of one cylindrical bowl. Okay, so let the radius be r and diameter is given 7 centimeters. So what is the radius?
7 by 2.
Right, 7 by 2 centimeter. And height is given 4 centimeter. So what is the volume of one cylindrical bowl?
Pi r square h.
Right, pi r square h. So we'll substitute the value, that is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square into 4. ठीक है, एक 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा and this 2 into 2 4 we can cancel it. Only 22 into 7 will be left, that is 154 centimeter cube. Now this is the volume required for one patient. So 200 patient के लिए कितना वॉल्यूम होगा? Bowl is fully filled with soup and quantity of soup filled in a bowl is 154 centimeter cube, and since such type of 250 bowls are served to 250 patients, so therefore total quantity of soup to be prepared by the hospital is equals to 250 into 154. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you multiply you will get this answer, but you have to convert it into liters. So what you have to do?
By 1000.
Yes, very good, by 1000, because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So 20 will be cancelled and what we are getting? 38.5 liter. This is the final answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now we will start cone. Already we have completed all the formulas. Let us recapitulate all the formulas. So this is the structure of cone and we have 3 parameters here, L, R, H. What is the relation between these 3? What is the relation between these 3? Pythagoras theorem.
L square is equal to h square plus r square.
Very good. L square is equals to r square plus h square. Okay. And the curved surface area formula is pi r L. What is the formula of total surface area?
Curved surface area plus area of base.
Okay. Curved surface area plus area of base, that is pi r L plus pi r square. If you take pi r common, this is the formula. And what is the volume of cone?
1 by 3 pi r.
Very good. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now the next exercise is completely based on this formula. So let us start with the first question. Exercise 13.7, first question, first bit. Radius is given, height is given. So we can find directly using that formula. Radius is 6 centimeter, height is 7 centimeter. Now we'll write the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h, volume of cone. Now substitute all the values. So 1, 7 is cancelled and 6 is cancelled by 3. We will get 2. So 22 into 2 into 6 is the final answer, that is 264 centimeter cube. Second bit. Radius is given 3.5 centimeter and height is given 12 centimeter. So again the same formula, volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now substitute all the values. Okay, now this 3.5 I want to remove it. You can remove it by 7 by 2. ध्यान से देखो, और 35 by 10. 7 by 2. So what is the benefit of writing 7 by 2? See, 3 into 2 into 2 is 12, cancel, and 1 7 is cancelled. So we are getting 22 into 7 only, that is 154. Okay, or we can write 35 by 10. So 35 by 10 भी करोगे तो फिर इसको 5 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, इसको भी 5 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Now 3 4s are 12. This 4 you can cancel with this 2, and 1 7 is cancelled, and you will get 22 by 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeter cube. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now next question. Find the capacity in liters. But in this question, radius is given and slant height is given. And capacity means we need to find volume. और volume के लिए क्या होना चाहिए हम लोग के पास? Radius और height. So height निकालना है यहाँ पे. How will you find height? How will you find height?
By
L
volume.
R h square plus r square.
Yes, L square is equals to R square plus H square. Now substitute all the values. Okay, 625 is equals to 49 plus H square. Shift 49 to this side, it will become minus. So H square is equals to 625 minus 49. If you subtract, you will get 576. What is the square root of this one?
24.
Right, very good, 24 centimeter. Now we got H. Volume निकालना है. What is the formula?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Very good, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now substitute all the values. Okay, 1 7 you can cancel, and 1 3 also you can cancel. This with this one, you will get 8. So 22 into 7 into 8, 1232 centimeter cube. But you have to find in liters. So how will you convert it into liters? इसको लीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे?
By 100.
Yes, by 100 नहीं, by 1000. By 1000. Why? Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next question. Height is given 12 centimeter and slant height is given 13 centimeter, but radius is not given. So first step we have to find radius. How will you find radius?
L square is equal to r square plus h square.
Very good. L square is equals to r square plus h square. So h square, h और r का value, L का value substitute किए. This will become 144 and this is 169. 144 we will shift to this side, so it will become minus 144, and this is 25. So what is the value of r?
5.
5. Right. So we got the value of r. Now volume. What is the formula of volume? Volume
1
of,
by 3 pi r square h.
right, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now we'll substitute all the values. अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ एक, only 1. Now 22 into 5 into 5 into 4 upon 7. So we'll get 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube. So again we have to convert it into liters, so we have to divide by 1000. So ध्यान से देखो 22/70 आ रहा है, 11/35. So this is the final answer. Book में यही आंसर दिया हुआ. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Third question. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. This is centimeter cube. Okay. Find the radius of the base, and the value of pi is given. So first we will write what is given, that is height, and what is volume 1570. What is the formula of volume of cone?
1/3 pi r square h.
Very good. 1/3 pi r square h. Now we'll substitute all the values. This is 3.14 and this is 15. Okay. So this we can cancel. Now if you multiply this two, you will get 15.70. Okay. And this we can write 1570 upon 100. So ये दोनों कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So what we are getting, r square is equals to
10.
100.
100.
So what is the final value of r?
10.
10 centimeter, right? Okay. So now we are moving towards the last question of today's session, that is the fourth question. The remaining question we will do in the next session. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, this is cube, okay? Find the diameter of its base. So height is given 9 centimeter and volume is given 48 pi. Let it be question number 1. And what is the formula of volume of cone?
1/3 pi r
1/3 pi
Right,
r
1
square.
upon 3 pi r square h. The value of h is 9. Okay. So यहाँ पे h नहीं आएगा क्योंकि h का value already substitute किए 9. So let it be equation number 2. Now we will compare these two equation. So 1/3 pi r square into 9 is equals to 48 pi. ठीक है, यहाँ पर भी h नहीं आएगा. So now this you can cancel 3 और ये भी pi cancel कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we are getting 3 r square is equals to 48 and r square is equals to 16. So what is the value of r?
4.
Yes, 4 centimeter. So we need to find diameter. So what is diameter?
4 into 2.
4 into 2, that is 8 centimeters. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment question. Please take the screenshot of this assignment question. This is only based on cylinder. In the next session, I will give assignment questions of questions based on cone. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.